Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix low volume problem in your Samsung Galaxy S26. Of course, Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. At first, open the settings. Scroll down to the sound and vibration, and here you need to tap volume. Make sure at first that you have all these things pushed to the 100% and check if the volume is nice. So, as you can see, mine works. If your volume satisfies you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, disable Do Not Disturb mode. To do so, scroll down to the control panel, prolong this little thing, find Do Not Disturb mode, and make sure this is disabled. This is gray. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb mode, you probably don't have it enabled, but make sure, tap this pen icon, add it, and here, as you can see, we do have our icons. Apart from that, you can try to tap Other Control and search for Do Not Disturb mode. So, that's it for here. Apart from that, clean the speaker grill to have it fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.